Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing a quick video to fix my soft gel tips by Gelish. Thank you so much for tuning in. For my new viewers, please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. So today we're going to talk about this finger here. I actually, I don't remember if I properly put this nail on, if I skipped a step, because when I was at the gym, I rolled out my yoga mat and it's kind of like not rubbery, but it's like asphalt type material. So when I was rolling it out, it got caught in the yoga mat and it just came off. It wasn't painful or anything really, but so I definitely must have missed a step. Um, but it came off and I'm going to show you guys today how I fix it. So as you saw, I e-filed the remaining gel residue off my nail and I took a cuticle pusher to push them back, and I'm using my e-file again to just clean that up a bit. Here I'm taking my buffer and lightly buffing the whole nail bed. Luckily this whole thing just came off like in one piece, so that's why I'm able to salvage my work here. So I'm just cleaning off the dust with some nail cleanser and a lint-free wipe. And I'm going to go in to my soft gel tip and I'm just going to clean up the underside. There's that layer of gel, so I want to be sure I get rid of most of that. And then the adhesive gel overlapped my real nail at the where the tip meets the nail, so I want to smooth that out. And this is kind of like buffing the insides of a press-on for anyone that does that. So I'm just cleaning up my lines here because there is an excess of top coat. And I'm just going to clean this off with a nail cleanser and a lint-free wipe again. Just make sure that everything is nice and clean. So I'm going to do my nail dehydrator and nail primer. And again, I believe I've done every step, but I could be wrong. And the idea is if it comes off easy like that, then you must have missed a step. So here I'm taking actually my nail glue that I got from my static nails kit. And I'm going to apply, I'm now treating this like a press-on. So I'm going to apply a layer under this tip, and then I'm going to apply a layer on the base of my nail and just let that sit for a few seconds as the instructions tell you. I almost forgot the word there. So yeah, so luckily my soft gel tip came off in one piece. So I'm able to kind of go back now and treat it as a press-on nail. So this should stay on for at least the week that I'm gonna need before I remove the set and do a new one. But as you saw in my static nails removal video, um, it that set lasted for 2 weeks and most of it was fine. So I can imagine it's still on now. So this happened while I was doing my August birthstone set. As you can see, I've got gems on the towel there. Um, but I can imagine this will last 2 weeks if I left it. But the nail is still on now and it's almost been a week. So this is a nice easy fix. So I'm applying some cuticle oil just to bring my skin back to life there. I'm just rubbing this in, and that's pretty much it. This is my how-to fix your soft gel tips if it pops off. Some of you may know this as jelly tips or upright dupe nails. Just want to make sure that that nail is adhering. to the base of my nail here. And I'm just going to shine up the gems because I've got some massive oil on it now. And as you can see, as good as new. Let's just clean up the underside. And there you have it, my how-to to fix a popped off soft gel tip. So this is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. I hope you've enjoyed my mini how-to for this week. Join me this weekend for my regular weekly posting, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.